Hello friends, myself Mohit and I am going to dictate you Steno Legal Matter. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more dictations. So be ready for the dictation. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start.
This petition seeking leave to appeal under Article 136 of the Constitution is at the instance of unsuccessful original respondents in a writ application filed before the High Court of Jammu and Kashmir (judicial officers) and is directed against the judgment and order passed by a division bench of the High Court dated 27/05/2012 in the SWP number 1350/2011, by which the High Court allowed the writ petition filed by the respondents number 3219 herein (original writ applicants). The facts giving rise to this special leave petition may be summarized as under. At the outset, we may state that this is a second round of litigation before this court on the issue relating to fixation of the seniority of the munsifs for promotion to the post of sub-judge in the state of Jammu and Kashmir (now Union Territory). This court in the first round of litigation took notice of the fact that the respondents herein (original writ applicants) qualified at the Jammu and Kashmir Civil Services (judicial) examinations 2002 and were appointed as the judicial magistrates in 2020. They were placed higher in the merit list compared to the petitioners herein. However, the gradation list was prepared by applying the roster for direct recruitment as provided under Rule 5 of the Jammu and Kashmir Reservation Rules 2005. This in effect led to the reserved category petitioners displacing the general category respondents in the gradation list. A writ petition was filed seeking to quash the gradation list of the judicial magistrates and for a direction to prepare the gradation list based on merit. The High Court held as under. The issue raised in the present petition squarely falls within the judgment rendered by the division bench in Ashok Kumar Sharma's case. Though petitioners do not assail the gradation list and the consequent promotion order on the ground that these are not constitutionally permissible and therefore ultra vires Constitution, yet the law laid down in Indra case and relied upon in Ashok Sharma's case cannot go unnoticed while dealing with present case, as it touches constitutionally of the reservation rules whereupon the impugned gradation list is based, and therefore validity of the High Court orders promoting private respondents on the basis of this placement in gradation list. The gradation list in question and promotion orders made on the basis thereof in favor of private respondents in implementation of reservation policy are therefore liable to be set aside on this ground alone. This conclusion so drawn ordinarily would clinches the matter. However, it would be, if not necessary but appropriate, to deal with the issues other that constitutionality of reservation in promotion scheme raised in the petition. For the reasons discussed above, we find merit in challenge to gradation list dated 1/6/2010 issued by respondent number 2, as also order promoting respondents 3 and 4 as civil judge (senior division) on the basis of their placement in the gradation list. Stop. Challenge to such other order passed on this basis of the impugned gradation list allowing the private respondents. Stop.